Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change Facebook Marketplace location. So let's go to our Facebook here and we will just go to the marketplace here, and if you want to change the location you can see this is the location. Right now click on it. Now here you have to go and click on edit, and once you go and click on edit it will ask your location, so you have to deny this. And here I will change my location, so I'm just going completely to a different country. Right, let's say I will just go to exactly on the west side, or in the north south side, right? And here I can just calculate the radius and everything, so I will make the radius very big here, right? And here just go and click on apply. Now it will just refresh this out automatically, it will happen, and you can see the marketplace will be changed. So here the marketplace has been completely changed, and this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.